This is the new Volvo EX-90. It looks awesome. So checking out a pre-production version of this car's actually like made out of plastic, but have a look at these headlights. So it's a digital headlight and it's got these covers that pop up and down. And then when the headlight isn't in use, you can see the LED element just closes over and it runs as a full daytime running light. So it's full electric. You've got a set of 2 electric motors, one on the front axle, one on the rear axle. So camera down the bottom there and louvers as well. Now the fascinating thing up the top here, this is actually one of the first cars to have a Lidar integration. So beneath that cover there, the Lidar is able to look hundreds of meters up the road ahead to give the driver and all the systems within the car an idea of what's going on, primarily for full self-driving in the future. So in terms of battery capacity, over 100 kilowatt hours of battery. Door handles sit flush there for aero. And it's probably my favorite part, the interior. So big 15-inch display in the center there. Looks really cool. And then you also have a screen here ahead of the driver as well. So it just gives you a bit more clarity of what's going on the road. Depending on which spec you go for, you can get these wool seats, speakers built into the headrest there as well. 7 seats too, with lots of room inside for the family. Driving range of about 600 kilometers. And in terms of power and torque, we're talking almost 400 kilowatts of power and almost 1,000 newton meters of torque. So it is some pretty serious business. What else can I tell you? So air suspension, it's made out of partly recycled materials. So 15% recycled steel, 25% recycled aluminium. So you can see the EX-90 logo just there. Volvo along the back, and then the nice LED design there for the tail lights too. So I'm going to, actually, do you want to open it? Because I don't want to break it. I'll show you what it looks like in the boot too. So in here, because it's a 7-seater, you've got some space here to store some bits and pieces. It also has a frunk as well, so you have a little bit of storage space up the front there too. So it is a pretty impressive setup. Actually, one other thing I want to mention as well is inside the cabin, you actually have a camera that monitors the driver and their condition. So we can't see it here in this model, but the idea is that if the driver is fatigued or under the influence, it'll stop you from actually being able to drive the car, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, this is the new Volvo EX90. Let me know if you have any questions.